So do you need a permit for a home security system? Installing a home security system can provide peace of mind and enhance the safety of your property. However, whether you need a permit for such a system can depend on several factors, including your location and the type of security system you plan to install. Here's what you need to know. 1. Local regulations. Many local municipalities require permits for home security systems, particularly those that include burglar alarms monitored by a central station. This requirement ensures that the system meets local safety standards and helps reduce the number of false alarms, which can strain local emergency services. 2. Alarm systems. If your security system includes an alarm that automatically notifies the police or fire department, a permit is often necessary. This requirement helps emergency services manage their resources more effectively and ensures they respond promptly to genuine emergencies. 3. DRE systems. For self-installed systems, especially those that don't connect to a central monitoring service, a permit is often not required. However, it's essential to check local regulations to be sure. Even if a permit isn't necessary, it's still a good idea to ensure that your system complies with any relevant standards or guidelines. 4. HOA rules. If you live in a community governed by a homeowners association, HOA, there may be additional rules or requirements for installing a security system. HOAs often have specific guidelines to maintain the community's aesthetic and ensure that any installations do not interfere with shared services or amenities. Steps to determine permit requirements. To determine if you need a permit for your home security system, you should 1. Check your city or county's website. Many local governments provide detailed information about permit requirements for various installations, including security systems. 2. Contact local authorities. Reach out to your local police or fire department for guidance on the permit process and any specific regulations you need to follow. 3. Review HOA regulations. If applicable, review any HOA guidelines to ensure compliance with community rules. By following these steps, you can ensure that your home security system is installed legally and efficiently, providing you with the security and peace of mind you need.